Hello viewers, welcome to MAGESH Chemistry Classes. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the comparison of solubility questions. So these are questions asked from TRB Polytechnic, 2005. The order of increasing solubility: calcium fluoride, lithium fluoride, sodium fluoride, and potassium fluoride. In order to solve this problem, how the solubility of the substance vary. Here, the radius between the cation and anion is noted. Radius between the cation and anion. The radius difference is larger, then your solubility also greater. So greater is the difference, solubility is higher. When you compare this calcium fluoride, lithium fluoride, and sodium and potassium fluoride, the size in the order. By comparing size, the first group element, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and the second group element, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. When you compare the size of lithium, calcium, sodium, potassium, lithium is smaller in size and fluorine also small, and the difference is less. So it has less solubility. So lithium fluoride has less solubility. So in the option, it is given that in the D. When you compare the calcium and sodium, calcium is the second group element and the sodium is the first group element. So it is larger in size than that of the calcium. So the difference is greater in sodium. Okay. So calcium fluoride is lesser solubility than sodium fluoride. And potassium fluoride, the size is greater and the difference is larger. So potassium fluoride is higher solubility. So the concept is the radius difference is greater, then the solubility is high. Okay. Let me discuss some of the questions. The solubility order of the following: beryllium hydroxide and barium hydroxide. The size order is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. When you compare the size of beryllium and barium, barium is larger in size and the difference is greater in the barium hydroxide. The solubility order is barium hydroxide is greater than that of the first case, the barium hydroxide having greater solubility than beryllium hydroxide. And compare sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Obviously the potassium chloride, the size of potassium is greater than that of the sodium. So KCl has greater solubility. And potassium chloride and cesium chloride, the size factor when you compare, the potassium is smaller and cesium, the difference is larger in cesium chloride having greater solubility. Calcium sulfate and barium sulfate, the size factor is calcium and barium is larger and barium sulfate has greater solubility. Okay. The fifth one, aluminum hydroxide and beryllium hydroxide. Beryllium is a second period element, aluminum is a third period element. So aluminum is larger in size than that of beryllium. So aluminum hydroxide is more soluble than that of the beryllium hydroxide. Thank you for watching.